back to my channel. I've been a little absent for a while, ever since like after Halloween. I did post a little bit in November, but I've just been so busy with school, so busy with finals. Now that is out of the way, I can finally make some videos, some Christmas videos. So I'm super excited. This is my first Christmas video that I'm filming. So yeah. Okay, so I want to talk about this new priming moisturizer that I had just used today right now, and it looks pretty good. Like my skin looks pretty flawless right now, and it feels really good. But Good Molecules, they had sent me the silicone-free priming moisturizer, and I wanted to make a lot for a little bit, but so far I am loving it. They had like just started sending me a bunch of like skincare stuff, and they sent me their newest product, which is just silicone-free priming moisturizer, and so far I'm loving their stuff. I feel like my skin's been clearing out a little bit. I had some problems with my forehead for a while, but also I've been drinking a lot of water, so that also could be helping as well. But anyway, so let's dive into this tutorial. So I wanted to use a Carly Bible palette from Artistry Beverly Hills. I haven't tried it yet. They sent this to me like back in October or November, I don't remember. But at the time I think I was filming Halloween. Yeah, it was during Halloween, so I was like filming Halloween looks. The palette didn't really fit into anything spooky, so I was like, maybe we can do like kind of like a frosty glam holiday look with this. It's a really beautiful palette. So yeah, I had really wanted to use it. I haven't actually used it yet, and also they sent me the holiday glitters and I haven't used those either, so I'm basically trying out new products today for this video. Okay, so I guess let's dive into the eye makeup already. I want to do something really simple, but also like something glam, something like a frosty kind of glamish kind of look. I have a vision in my head. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right to y'all guys, but I can see it, and I hope it works out like how I envision it. So I had already applied the Artistry Beverly Hills eye primer onto my eyelids. My eyes are prepped and primed and ready to go, so I guess let's just dive in now. Okay, so I'll be diving into the shade OA. It's kind of like this like metallic violet, bluish violet with like some glitter, like blue glitters in it, some green glitter. It's really sparkly, so let's dive into that. I'm using the brush that came with. I'm using the smaller side of it. I'm gonna basically apply it, not blend it out, but like kind of make like a huge wing with it. Can I get what I'm saying? So that's that. I won't blend it out. It's a metallic shade, so metallics don't blend too well. Okay, so next I'm going to be diving into the shade Mandela. And I applied that one onto the inner corners of my eyes, like right around here. I did it on the side previously and I really like the way it looked. Okay, so next I'm using the shade Bully. Now I'm applying this on the inner corners of my eyes as well, just to lighten it up just a little bit more. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying the shade Chai underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to be blending it out with the shade Bear as well. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Boy. Applying this one kind of like more on the inner corner of my eye. I'm kind of create like a cat eye effect with it, and also I'm drag it down here and blend it just a little bit. Okay, so I was gonna cut the crease originally, but I didn't like how it looked on this eye. I kind of went ahead of this eye a little bit before moving on to this, but I didn't like the way it was coming out, so I think I'm gonna cut the crease and then add some glitter on it in a bit. We're gonna be using some concealer to cut the crease. I'm gonna do something kind of like this. I might blend some eyeshadow on and record actually later in a bit. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Mandala onto the cut crease I had just created. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Snowfall loose glitter onto my cut crease. Okay, so I just did my brows, just did my normal brow routine. I just didn't feel like doing it on camera, I did it off camera. But anyway, so next I'm contouring my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood Bronzer. And next I'll be doing blush using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Blush Trio. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Snowflake Loose Highlighter, and I'm applying that onto my cheekbones. And next, I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter on my cheekbones, just like a tiny bit. I'm gonna be using frosted glitter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know, I feel like it has a kind of a blue undertone to it. We'll see how it looks. I feel like if I use Snowfall, that'll look too blue or like too violet. So okay, so next I'm gonna line my lips using the Cider liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna be using a small angled brush to line my lips. Kind of want to create like a, you know, just a nice light lit look today. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Liquid Lipstick onto my lips. I think this is one of their newer ones from their holiday set that came out this year. And I think this is the first time I've worn this already. I worn like at least most of the shades from the lipstick one they sent me, but I don't think I've worn this one yet. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, so next I'm applying the Moon Jelly lip gloss from Artistry Beverly Hills onto my lips. Okay, so off camera I actually applied Black Mage Beauty's Pink Snow little glitter. I didn't apply like a lot of it. I applied the little snowflakes, kind of like on the outer corner of my eye underneath. I thought that looked cute. I think it adds a really nice effect to this look. I was kind of going for like an icy, frosty kind of look on these eyes. Right now I kind of look like that picture of that little girl with like the glitter all over her eyelids. I'll probably put it up on the screen because that's how I feel like right now. It doesn't look exactly how I envisioned it. I feel like the glitter messed up my cut crease. Like it looks really sloppy, but oh, you know, it's still well, you know. At least it's glittery, I guess. But I feel like that little girl right now with the messy glitter. Okay, so next we're applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Domina lashes. I've already tried out like 2 pairs of the lashes already and I love them so much. I haven't tried this style yet, so I'm really excited. They looked really nice when Norvina was showing them when they first came out. I cannot wait to get this open. Okay, so that is it for today's look. I ended up liking it a lot. At first I was really hating it. I had kind of like went ahead with this eye and I hated it. I was like, oh, I just got the crease, and after I got the crease it was fine. And then I added glitter and it became a mess. So I was like, oh man, I hate it. But I think after like adding lips and the little extra snowflakes on the side and the lashes, I think the look all came together. Even though it's a little bit messy, but you know, every look doesn't have to be perfect and clean, you know. So I think, I don't know, I like it. It kind of looks a little bit like 90s, 2000s-ish, a little bit minus like I think it was like more 90s, 2000s, like the eyebrows should be thinner. I really do like this look. I was really hating it. I'm really hard on myself sometimes when I'm filming like the look. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I hate it, and in the end I'm like, oh my god, I love it. But it was kind of simple, kinda. I mean, I didn't like it at all, so it was a little bit slow. It's currently like 4 AM. I started like around close to 2, so it took me like 2 hours. It probably wouldn't take this long if I knew what the heck I was doing. Like I had a vision in my head and then it was coming out how I liked it. I was like, oh, let me change it then. And I changed it and it's okay. I like it now. Actually I love it. I really do like the silicone free priming moisturizer that Good Molecule sent me. My skin looks amazing right now. Like at first, like when I first applied the foundation, it looked dewy. Of course I put powder on. My face still looks like good. Like it still looks moisturized. It kind of looks a little bit dewy-ish. I feel like this is a really good product, especially for winter. Everyone's skin's gonna be dry because it's cold. Luckily it doesn't get too cold where I live, but it still gets kind of cold. I feel like it's good, especially, this is perfect, especially if you're applying before makeup. You can also use it for bed, I think. It's like for day and night. But I feel like this is a really good product to use, especially in the winter time before doing your makeup, to make sure, you know, your skin is, I mean, you should be using moisturizer before, or like doing all your whole skincare before doing your makeup. But I think this kind of quickens it. It's like a moisturizer and a primer all in one, so that kind of makes it go faster. Because sometimes my skincare routine can take like 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes a long time. I have to wash my face and then do the toner and then the serums and then the moisturizer, and I kind of like to let it sit for a little bit. But with this, you don't have to let it sit for that long. Maybe like a little bit. But I really do like it. My skin feels amazing right now, and I've been using their serum. They had sent me a few serums. I'm not sure if I'll do like skincare videos soon, kind of like some skincare I've been like loving recently, I don't know. But they have sent me some serums and I really do like them a lot. I feel like it's been helping my skin clear up, and my skin has just been feeling really soft and amazing lately. But it's also probably because I've been drinking a lot of water, so make sure you drink water, otherwise it's gonna be like crap. I think this is a really cute holiday / like winter icy look. I don't know, it's really cute. I would try it, maybe in the future I would try to do like a better like icy look, maybe like I'm thinking like a cleaner cut crease. I don't know. I think I might have just used too much of the glitter adhesive and it made it too watery. I don't know. I haven't really had much luck with it. But I mean, it worked for my highlighter. Like, it's not too like crazy. I mean, obviously I don't have like dark eyeshadow on, so yeah. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I usually do post a lot on Instagram, so make sure you do follow me on there especially. I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful holidays. I guess that's it for today's video, so bye guys!